It's clear that the environment that we're operating in now has a ton of cybersecurity threats, and that those threats are significant. They have significant material value to our bottom line should a cybersecurity breach take place. Combine that with the new rigs and the new rules coming into Zim with regards to data protection and privacy laws by our regulator. Every organization needs to now take its view on cybersecurity a lot more seriously than they have in the past. Off the back of that, Frampol backs and recommends Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, P2 specifically, and Microsoft Defender for 365, P2 as well. Both of those products, in the first instance, add a layer of cybersecurity to your organization, which is a very, very good start. Certainly not the end of your cybersecurity journey, but the beginning, and a good beginning at that. The Frampol team are available to assist you with that and to help you with their pricing, the implementation timelines, which is really quick if there's an Active Directory in place. And then let's get you protected.